Type 5. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS with PQ equal to QR equal to 5 centimeter. Angle QPR is 50 degree. Angle PRS is 40 degree. And angle RPS is 80 degree. With this measurement, we want to draw the rough diagram first. So here PQRS is the quadrilateral. Here PQ is 5 centimeter and QR is also 5 centimeter. And then angle QPR is 50 degree. Then PRS is 40 degree. Then RPS is 80 degree. Okay. So with this measurement, I want to draw the quadrilateral here. So first draw PQ as 5 centimeter. So I want to draw the for 5 centimeter, that is PQ. And then here by the use of protractor we have to take 50 degree there. So take 50 degree. From P I want to take 50 degree. So 50 degree is here. So now take this 50 degree and join this and draw a ray for this. Name this as X here. This is 50 degree. And then here QR is 5 centimeter. Our intention is to draw a triangle first. So by the use of compass I can take the 5 centimeter. So by the use of compass I want to take 5 centimeter from Q. Okay. Now I got this point as R here and then I want to join RQ. Join RQ. Okay. This is 5 centimeter. Then I have PRS is 40 degree. So by the use of protractor we have to take 40 degree. Where we have to keep there? At this line. Here we have to, at the point R we have to keep that. So how much angle we have to take? 40. So our line is here. So from here to here we have to count this. So 40. So now we have to join these two. Join here. So name this as Y. This is 40 degree. And then again here 80 degree is the angle P is RPS is 80 degree. So RPS is, again we have to keep the protractor at the point here and here I want to take 80 degree. So it will be here like this. So here it will be. So I want to join this. So name this as Z. So that is Z here. Okay. And then now I have this diagonal. So I want to measure the diagonal and write this here. This is 6.3 centimeter. And then for this diagonal I want to draw the perpendicular line from the vertices. Okay. So how to draw the perpendicular line? So by the use of set square. So keep the set scale here and we have to keep the set square like this. Move towards the vertices, it will be like this. So now I got like here, it will be there. This is the height of this. This is 4.6 7 centimeter. Again I want to draw the perpendicular line from here. So keep the scale here and then keep this set square like this and move towards this, and we have to keep that so that I can have the perpendicular line here. So draw the perpendicular line. I want to measure this also. So 3.8. So this is 3.8 centimeter. Okay. Now we have the diagonal H1 and H2. So by the use of this we can easily calculate the area. So area equal to half into D into H1 plus H2 square units. So it is equal to half into D is 6.3 centimeter into H1 is 4.7 plus 3.8 equal to 1 by 2 into 6.3 into 8.5. So multiply these two and divide by 2. This is 27.5 centimeter square. So this is the required area. Okay.